Hello YouTube, how's it going? This is DRH Elucidations here with part 5, the fifth and final part of our Xcode C++ Tic-Tac-Toe game tutorial. So we've come a long way to get to this point here, and in our last video we were working on the main game logic for our Tic-Tac-Toe game. So this is the moment that we've all been waiting for here. Drum roll please, if you will. Let's actually test out our game and see if it works. Alright, let's do that. So, first things first, let's get into this video right quick here. So what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to change this drawBoard function here, and let's go ahead and replace that with our game function that we just finished making in part 4. And let's go ahead and run this. So, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if there's any errors or glitches. Click run here, and let's see if it builds anything. Okay, so select an X, R, and O. So first things first, let's put in something that's not valid, because remember, we put in some validation here to prevent a user from entering something that's not valid. So let's put in a Q. Alright, let's put in a number. Alright, let's put in a lowercase o. Lowercase x. Alright. Let's do a capital O. Okay, so now it works. It's player's one's turn here. So let's put in something that's out of range. Let's do a 0. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's do a 10. Alright, so that doesn't work either. Alright, let's go ahead and put in a 5. It's a good strategy to start in the center. Okay, it works. See, you can clearly see that O right there works perfectly. Okay, so far so good. Let's see. Player 2, we'll have him go there. Player 1 will be an 8. Player 2 will be a 6. And last but not least, it's player 1's turn. And we'll go ahead and we'll hit 2. Player 1 has 1. Alright, everything looks like it's working just fine. Let's go ahead here and we'll run it again. We'll go ahead here and we'll run this again. This time we'll pick X, see if that works. Okay, it looks like it works. Let's go pick 5 again. Alright, very good. So let's go ahead and we'll make player 2 9. Player 1 do 8. Player 2 will do 6. Player 1, let's do 7. Let's see if player 2 can win. So we'll go ahead here and we'll do 3. Okay, player 2 has 1. Okay, look, so that looks like it's working fairly well as well. Last but not least, the piece of resistance, as they say. Let's go ahead and see if we can tie the game. So we'll go ahead and pick O. We'll go ahead and pick 5. Player 2's turn. Have that. Let's do a 7 on that. Alright. We'll do a 9 on that. And we'll do a 1 on that. Alright. Player 1's turn. We'll do, guess we could put an O right there. Player 2's turn. We'll do a 2. Yeah. Player 1's turn. We'll go ahead and we'll do a 4. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do a 4. Player 2's turn. We'll go ahead and we'll do a 6. Last but not least, player 1's turn. The only option is a 3, so. Wow, perfect. It works perfectly. So yeah, there you go, guys. So that's the tutorial. I realized that there is a piece of validation code that I did not go over previously, and I would like to offer my apologies in regards to that. Speaking of validation code, previously we made it so that way it was impossible for a player to replace another player's place marker slot. So somebody, let's say for example, made a move in slot number 5, then the next player should not be able to take that slot with their own place marker. So let's go ahead here and test that out. Let's go ahead and run our game program here, our game function. So we'll pick an O and we'll pick slot number 5. Now let's go ahead and see if if that can be replaced. So let's pick number 5, and it goes ahead and it tells us that we cannot do that. Um, there are some grammatical errors here. Let's go ahead here. We'll end this, and we'll go ahead and see if we can fix those. But it looks like the code itself works, so that's a good sign. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll fix that. And let's go ahead and we'll fix this up here as well. Alrighty, and let's go ahead here and save the game. Run it again. We'll do the same thing we did previously here. Slot 5, slot 5, and then just to make sure that we can continue after that. And we can. Okay, good. That looks good. So we'll get out of that. Alrighty. There you have it. That particular form of validation appears to work just fine. Brilliant. So, that is the conclusion of our Xcode C++ Tic-Tac-Toe game tutorial series. But at any rate, if you enjoyed this series and if you would like for me to make some more of these, please do feel free to comment down below, to give this video a like if you will, please, to subscribe, and to share this video as well. And also, please don't forget to hit the little bell notification icon so that way you can be one of the first to know when I post a new video. Alrighty guys, well this has been DRH Elucidations signing off.